My name is Faye Hannah. I work in the creative industries. I have an organisation called our Collab. I also work for Ffilm Cymru Wales as the Foot in the Door project manager. I've worked in the creative industries in Wales for about 15 years in a number of guises, working for BAFTA and Creative Skillset. And I would suppose over the last 6 or 7 years, since I've been working for myself, focus has very much been on career development, workforce development, creative labour and skills. And that has led me to do a PhD in workforce and screen development with the University of South Wales, so I'm currently studying as well. I don't think there's ever been a better time to be part of the film community as it is in Wales, both at a emerging level and at a professional level as well. There's just a huge amount going on, and I will always come at this from a skills and career development perspective, but there's some real skills gaps, there's some real shortages, so making sure that we are developing the right people and supporting people through their careers I think is really important, because people aren't going to come and film here if we don't have the creative skills to be able to support that. So I think the first headline in terms of being a filmmaker in Wales right now is think like a business. You know, you will have a project, you'll be working for yourself, you'll be working with others, and you want people to invest in it. That's the bottom line. And if we can have our filmmakers thinking in a strategic way about how they develop their careers and their projects as businesses, and really start to think about why should people invest in this? It's a great idea, right? But why should people start to invest in this, you know, as a production? Then I think that would be really helpful, and hopefully we can support some filmmakers to do that in North Wales. Working on right now, Foot in the Door. So that is a craft skills training programme with Ffilm Cymru Wales. Really exciting in its third year. We've just come off Dream Horse, the feature film that filmed in South Wales Valleys. We took 30 trainees through that programme, so that was quite exciting. And I'm currently undertaking my own research in workforce development at PhD level, which is looking at very specifically mapping what exists in terms of workforce development in the creative industries in Wales, and how does policy impact that, which I think is a really important area. So yes, busy over the next year, finishing my PhD.